Hi everyone, Ed Amoroso here, and what I'd like to do in this video is I want to kind of wrap up this course, this topic of real-time cybersecurity. If you've been with us, we started by looking at firewalls and packet filtering and how you arrange them and do IPS and all kinds of real-time things. Looked at SIMs, we looked at SOCs. We had a lot of fun with that, very interesting stuff. But if you're wondering, what's the full range of controls that need to be done to kind of protect a typical enterprise? Well, that's a tough question. This is a really complex and very full topic. We probably would need 1,000 videos to really dig into all of these things properly. But one of the things I worked on personally that you can download, we're going to pop up the URL, it's tag-cyber.com. You can download a free PDF. It's 3 volumes that we've downloaded and created. You'll see the information. But one of the graphics in my reports is the graphic that I'm showing here on the screen. It shows basically 6 columns of categories of different types of controls. And under each one, I sort of label out the control category that I think needs to be attended to from a cybersecurity perspective if you're protecting infrastructure. And you can see intrusion detection prevention, you can see firewall, you can see a lot of the things that are probably very familiar to you. And maybe a couple in there that you're less familiar with, like unified threat management is a category we didn't have a lot of time for, as we went through our discussion of real-time cybersecurity. It's basically combining a lot of different security controls into one appliance or device that a small company would use. But you may want to take a little time if you feel like you really want to do more research and dig in and get a better general sense of all the different controls that are here. You may want to take a look at this graphic. You might want to think about downloading the PDF. It might just give you something, a frame of reference as you plan a lifetime of learning in this area. You can sort of number them. There's 50 different areas that I've identified, and I think in each of them you can spend some time making sure that you get yourself comfortable. It's kind of a self-learning sort of thing that you can do outside the confines of your learning in this course. But if you're really, really motivated and you say, I want to become an expert, then grabbing this diagram and going through the different components that are in here might be very useful to you. So I hope you've enjoyed this discussion of real-time cybersecurity. I hope it's really helped you. And I've enjoyed my time with you here as we've gone through real-time cybersecurity. Thanks.